In the future, do you see yourself working with any producer and artist?
Yeah man, I see myself working with producers and artists. Once a producer have the time to voice quick cook and promote the song and give me an energy to it, I don't have a problem. Because most of these producers, you voice them, she is not a big artist, them not look on you, them left you with the project. So that's why you see me have to come in at the thing. Enough of them saying my voice, I mean same one I promote them. She ain't have a big name, them left you. So that's why you see me I do my thing. But once a promoter or a producer, I give me a strength in the music industry. One hand can't clap. You help me, I have to help you. You look out for me, I have to look out for you. You see me I say, that I go under the system. That's why I say, most of the days today. Because the business, so it's there. Tag and war. Fittest and the fittest shall survive. A producer will work with you and the next artist I try bantan the thing. I tell the producer, now work with you. A producer will feel a question the next artist. I book up faces out there, you know, where producer tell me, quick cook, you know, say every time I voice you, it causes a problem. Other artists pray, and I have to just, why me? Tell me, why me, Lord? What I just say, go? Life come with whole heap of action we have to face.
So based on that, the current state of dancehall, what do you think of it?
The current state of dancehall right now, it's alright, you know. We don't have no problem with dancehall, you know. You see what I say? Dancehall can't start. You see what I say? Yeah, one language, current state of dancehall, nice. Say artist just sell billboard out there, just drop an album. You see what I say? And a billboard, so who fight dancehall, it don't make no sense. Because more time you're in a mood, and when you check a stop, I walk on. Music alone can relieve certain pain out of you. Because you're there now. Crank up, punk up. And you just hear a song and the whole temperature and vibes change. You see what I say? You don't have no time to fight music, you know. You see once music nice, oh my God, now have a problem. You listen to it twice.
Alright. I saw you on Instagram change your DP, the display picture to the album that is scheduled to release today. So knowing that Vybz Kartel is releasing a song and you know how Jamaican artists globally aren't getting that much recognition when it comes down to reggae and dancehall, and performance within the sales of album. How do you think his album will perform?
No, Vybz Kartel reach a sentimental, explosious temperature in the music industry. A Vybz Kartel can't stop him again. You see me I say?
So are you featured on the album?
No, I'm not featured on Vybz Kartel album, but Vybz Kartel are my artist over the year. I mean, respect Vybz Kartel down to the ground when me walk on. Let me tell you, I don't respect Vybz Kartel in the life. World boss. That's why you see me put up his album DP on my display and on my Facebook and on my Twitter. You see me on my WhatsApp. Because I respect the DJ. I don't forget where I come from. Vybz Kartel, look out for me. As a DJ, I grew up in the music industry. I'm going to link Vybz Kartel around for the Gaza. A 21 song Kartel sing for me. So how am I going to respect a DJ like that? Regardless, some people talk the bad, but remember the good. Me and him not a problem. You see what I say? Him never do me nothing yet. So respect goes out to the DJ. One language. Your album, I come terrorize the world. I want to look out for it. The maddest thing. TJ Records, big up yourself. One language.
Thank you for taking the time out to do this interview. We really appreciate it.
You don't know the thing going on. OneKnockTV. Tell them my riches, me say. And no gun, me say. Nah, broke me focus. Tell them my money, me say. And no nothing funny, me say. Nah, broke me focus. All when they come with the argument, me put up my defense. Nah, broke me focus. Although time hard, one knock a praise God. Nah, broke me focus. No boy can trick one knock for go fire shot. I'm responsible, put on mommy pot. Me go old baby fast if go for that. Cause of a peace court, more said I want a shot. What? Me no listen what the priest chat. Me still a build the big house on the hilltop. Man top parent and a bill back. Cause we tired of the boat with the zinc top. One knock. Down to the glass house, it's to my life. Holy struggle me go to my life. Family I suffer, Lord Jesus Christ. Holy struggle me go to my life. One knock. Me know your heart would have pain you if you ever sit down and view my life. Google it, type in quick cook on YouTube my life. Oh, me now no house on the hill I make. Work hard and still not for me la make. Mummy say oh she not get the upstairs dinner yet. But time me gamble, sometimes me have to bring a sweat. Years man I suffer, check it out from when thing I make. Years man in the game but me no be the winner yet. Them no care about get to you, them no consider it. Them just want to see we stress out and smoke a bagger. Down to the glass house, see through my life. Holy for struggle me go through my life. One knock a whole heap of hits and me sing. And me sing. But mine no want to see me rise. One day me I go give them a surprise. One knock you have to break through. One day yes the rain a fall. One knock. But mine no want to see me rise. One knock we are gonna give them a surprise. Baby first we have to break through. One day. OneKnockTV, them no bad, them only bad mind. They no trouble here, one say no trouble mind. No, as a kid I use your brain. Nobody try you walk your two down the rain. I am determined searching for my goal. I am determined not change my road. Come in and acknowledge you are discriminate. You act like them love you and you know that. One knock, but mine no want to see me rise. One knock we are gonna give them a surprise. Baby first we gonna break through. And brother organization, listen to the second verse. Obtain my inspiration from God, me and begging to the road every day when me trod. I'm too anointed to be disappointed. Put the trust in the Father, cause I am my friend. One knock, me not care about them and those. Cause when them hear me eat some, them a flip out, yeah. Baby fast, everything we cook. One knock a video me, and it is a good look so how. But mine no want to see me rise. One knock, we are gonna give them a surprise. We have a breakthrough one day. OneKnockTV, from Mr. P, Mr. the game over. Them no bad like baby fast, now we boy ya. Hey, everything I figure change over. Cause them just violate me. Nobody start on a blunder. This one up. Yeah, the energy man, you see what I say? OneKnockTV, big up my fans them globally and the broadcast. As you can see, rain a fall and we there all a vibes. Cause who God bless no man curse. Hear the rain? That can go on. OneKnockTV, realest TV. If you look out for the video, coming. You see what I say? The song, now I don't focus, cause you don't know where the video. Up move, one language, rain and fall. Don't eat that girl like sandwich. I see. Tell you for the slang she know it. Leave me talking alone. I'm not found her living on me slang she know it box. I want to have a duff back. That's what me know. Love me slang them. Stop shave off of them. And some man come and say bread. Some man come fruit up the bread. But breadfruit up. 40 man in a dance boy, you want breadfruit. Fruit, where you got fruit. You loot. Load the bread, here. Don't put no fruit on the bread. And you know yourself, ching. Leave it alone. Don't fruit up my bread. One knock. Boost them and make it quick. OneKnockTV at the right baby. I know you think. Some man a shave off of me thing. Some say get counted. Some man a come talk about get there. Make sure you stay there. And don't tear. Madam Big. Yeah man. DJ Southside. Well bad. Bad your crap. Love me slam them alone. Shave off of me thing here. After me say, watch it lean. I walk up on the ground. Now watch it lean. They come to them get money every day. We know me. Bread. Over the side when we call it. People are laughing at me about bread. World boss, they present us them a wet bread. Boom, tell them one day we got bread. Who broke in the factory and try to eat bread? How many things them get to us a mango spread? Oh, I'm kidding. How many things them? Bread. No fruit to the bread. no fruit, no banana, no apple, no tangerine, no mango, no fruit. When I say bread, it's all about the definition. So money. Some man come fruit up the thing about breadfruit. No boy, Jack's Batman with more breadfruit. Roast or fried. And the real authentic thugs them know what go on. White bread you no go. Or roast or fried. No boy can't roast no breadfruit. No eat breadfruit. And you know one I consume. But I no eat breadfruit. No one I do. But we short. One knock. One language.